Pair of bounders. What do you suppose that means?
I don't know, but there doesn't seem to be any other way to go.
Yep, you're right. Well, let's go.
Bounders, bounders. Huh, I wonder if whoever wrote that sign meant boulders.
That could be. There's lots of rocks up there.
Look at that! Hopping mouths!
Yeah, and them mouths are full of teeth.
Whoa! They're going to catch us! Run faster, Grubby!
I'm trying.
Look out! These things are after us!
Take that! Oh, my! Here! Treacherous little bounders. I lose more firewood that way. How do you do? My name is Newton Gimmick, but you can call me Gimmick. Say, aren't you an Iliop?
Yes, I am. You see, Grubby and I came here from our homeland in Relonia. We're on a marvelous journey.
Why, that's wonderful. I have an idea. Why don't we all go to my house and have a bite to eat?
Okay.
That would be very nice, Gimmick.
What sort of journey are you on?
You think we ought to talk about that?
Oh, I'm sure we can trust Gimmick, and he might recognize something on the map. This map has been in my family for generations. We think it belonged to my great